Customer came today. He says his car is keep turning on and off. Sometimes it doesn't even start. And sometimes shake. So I look at it. I start the car. There's no check engine light either. So and back in the car, the first thing you have to do is check the terminals. Make sure is it tight. Look, this is a problem. If this thing is loose, the battery, the car's doing like that. Sometimes it shuts off, sometimes doesn't start, sometimes shakes without checking that. And sometimes that happen if you have a corrosion. You see that is it corroded? That happened too. The first thing you have to check the battery terminals. So make sure it's tight before you go further. Thanks for watching.